I don't know whether it's right at all. I mean, I'm not sure if, I've watched other directors sort of sit there and saying, yes, one more, just a little bit. And you think they know what they're doing. I'm not convinced we do, because you have feelings about things. You know if somebody's really buggering it up, you know that. But whether it's absolutely right, I'm never sure. That's why I always do a few extra takes, just to give us a bit of variance, because in the editing room, you may want to shift the pace of it a bit. It's really tricky, but you know pretty much if the guy's got it. And I spend time in advance talking with people. In the case of Brad in 12 Monkeys, I put him together with a sort of a kind of a drama coach, dialogue coach. He'd worked with Jeff Bridges on Fisher King, and I got him to train Brad to speak quickly, because Brad really had never spoken that fast in his life. And he worked so hard for months and months and months to get the speed up. And he came firing on the first day he was there. He was just, wham! Now, some people, I read reviews, they thought he was over the top. I didn't think so. I thought he was really spot on. There's a thing, what I do find is that when you're dealing with characters that are semi-crazy, a lot of people in the real world don't believe, people are like that out there. I mean, Brad, I thought, was a really good performance. I think it was really right on the button. The last film I've done is a thing called Tideland, and there's a young guy in there plays a retarded kid. And some people would say it's an over-the-top performance. And yet I've talked to psychiatrists and people that work with retarded people and say, it's the most astonishing performance they've ever seen of somebody do. So I don't know. My films are not realistic or naturalistic. I think they're heightened reality, or heightened naturalism. So there's room for actors to do bigger performances than they normally do. And I think maybe that's why they like working with me. I give them room to show off.